Hello! Welcome to Graceful Grammar Lessons. This lesson will cover the words lose and loose. Let's look at each one individually. Lose is a verb meaning to fail to keep, or to misplace something, or to experience a reduction. For example, I always lose my keys. I frequently misplace my keys. We don't want to lose this opportunity. We want to keep or take advantage of this opportunity. Loose is an adjective meaning not tight, not firmly fixed, or free from confinement. For example, the screw is too loose and needs tightening. The screw is not firmly fixed. She wore a loose dress that flowed elegantly. The dress was not tight. Think of lose as involving a change in possession or status. Think of loose as describing physical or metaphorical slackness or freedom. To summarize, lose is a verb meaning to fail to keep, misplace, or suffer a reduction. Loose is an adjective meaning not tight or not firmly fixed. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so we can let you know when we upload.